Landlords, you need to be aware of this. HMRC are really hot on the case of landlords claiming all expenses as repairs rather than capital expenses that sit on your balance sheet. There's obviously vast tax benefits to claiming them as a repair, go in your profit and loss, tax deductible as expense, rather than sitting on your balance sheet for when you eventually sell a property in the future, which could be years, decades down the line. So a lot of landlords opt to claim as repairs. However, there's clear indication of what is a repair and what's capital improvements. I'm going to explain in detail in the comments, but you really need to consider whether this is the right choice to claim as a repair or it needs to be capital, because HMRC are looking at this very closely and you don't want to be stung.